Hi, I'm Eleanor Silverstein, and we're talking about the Feldenkrais conference that's coming up in Boulder, Colorado, June 26th through the 30th, 2019. And today I'm talking with Violet Van Hees. And the title of her workshop is The Importance of Feeling Safe and How to Help Build That Foundation. Violet, talk to us.
So this for me is a really exciting topic because the conference theme is about ease. And the whole foundation of being able to find ease is seated in whether we actually feel safe. Because feeling safe and the importance of feeling safe allows you to learn easier, and it also allows ease in movement to actually show up. So we can only really feel at ease when we're feeling safe. And that safety thing is seated in our whole self. It's seated in our thinking, in our sensing, in our feeling, and in our movement. And it's a physiological and biological experience. And the feeling safe thing is not just a thinking safe, because the body or our physiological experience might be different from what our little brain is thinking about these things. And so this whole workshop is looking at safety. And Moshe himself said in Amherst, I'm just going to read this, if there is no safety, your nervous system will not learn how to do silly things, right? And silly things really, as far as your biology and your body is concerned, is anything not to do with survival. Survival is sort of job one, staying alive and keeping going is job one. And the smoothness and the wonderfulness of most of the things we love to do happen once we're feeling safe. Then we can enrich our lives and we can do all these other cool things. And then the kinds of Feldenkrais learning that we love and the quality of the experience and so on can shine through. And that stuff then can become important because you're feeling safe. So then you're interested in the cool stuff. So my workshop is really looking at what's the difference going on in our physiology and our biology and our thinking and how we sense things and how we process and understand what we're sensing. So the brain, body, everything all working together. We're looking at the difference between what is going on when we're feeling safe and how can we tap into that compared to what's going on when we're feeling not safe. Because there's something very different going on. We think differently, we learn differently, we hear differently, we actually retain memory differently if we're in a state of feeling unsafe than when we're feeling safe.
Right.
So this becomes really powerful to us as practitioners. It's both something that we can use with our clients and our customers when we're setting up an environment for learning, but we can also use it in our own selves. I use it when I'm learning surfing. Great example, right? This is my new thing. I'm an island girl now. I'm learning to surf. I use all the things that we'll be talking about in that process. I use it when I'm working with people, and I use it when I'm working with animals. And what's very cool is that the science now is bringing a lot of stuff forward that helps tell us why things work, why certain things work, how they help shift from one to the other, and how to notice. So once we can see the differences and notice the differences, then in Feldenkrais fashion, we have something really powerful to work with, right? We can play with one and the other and how to move from one to the other and how to open that experience for others. That's what this workshop's about.
Okay, wow. And so I have to say, I went to your workshop last year and it was about the vagus nerve and safety. And, you know, that's something I love so much. And and you spoke at the last T-Touch conference also. And you are a phenomenal communicator, speaker, and teacher. And
Thank you.
I am so thrilled that you are teaching, and I just highly recommend for people to get to have this taste with you and get to learn from you. So Violet, thank you so much. I'm so looking forward to seeing you at the conference.
Thank you so much. And thanks for doing this interview. This is wonderful. Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
look forward to seeing all you folks.